All right, if snoring is basically the soundtrack to your nights, or if you are just so tired of waking up already exhausted, then you are definitely in the right place. We're going to break down a pretty revolutionary treatment right here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that is helping people finally get that deep, restorative sleep they've only been dreaming about. So let's just start with a really important question. Do you ever feel like your entire life is just being run by a lack of good sleep? I'm talking about that constant dragging fatigue and all the health worries that kind of hang over your head. If any of that sounds familiar, you're going to want to stick around. And it really is a struggle. It's so much more than just feeling a little groggy in the morning. It's that day in, day out drain on your energy, your mood, your overall happiness. It really, really takes a toll. And that frustration you feel is completely real. It shows up everywhere, doesn't it? Maybe it's a lack of focus at work. Or maybe you find you're a little less patient with the people you love. Over time, this isn't just some small annoyance. It can become a serious risk to your long-term health. So what's actually happening inside your body to cause all this? Come on, let's take a quick look at the anatomy of a snorer, because once you understand the cause, the solution makes so much more sense. Now this right here is the core of the problem. Sleep apnea is way more than just loud snoring. It's a serious medical condition where something is blocking your airway, causing you to literally stop breathing, sometimes hundreds of times every single night. Okay, take a look at this. It lays it all out perfectly. On the left, you see a nice, wide-open airway. Air flows freely. But look at the right. You can see how those enlarged tissues are narrowing the path. That's what creates the vibration we hear as snoring. And in more severe cases, it causes a complete blockage. Okay, so now that we get the problem, let's talk about a truly revolutionary solution. Because modern technology has given us a way better, far more elegant approach to clearing that airway for good. And here it is, the game changer, an advanced laser treatment. This completely bypasses old-school invasive surgery. Instead, it uses incredibly precise laser energy to gently reduce the size of that tissue, creating the space your body needs to finally breathe easily and quietly all night long. And the difference between the old way and the new way is, well, it's just staggering. Look at this. With traditional surgery, you're facing weeks of pretty painful recovery, plus a hospital stay. But this advanced laser treatment, it's a quick, in-office procedure with minimal discomfort, and you're looking at a recovery of about a week. It's a massive leap forward. But here's what's really interesting. For the expert behind this treatment, Dr. Jiyoung Jung at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics, fixing sleep apnea is actually part of a much, much bigger picture. It's all about achieving total body wellness. This idea from Dr. Jung really gets to the heart of her entire approach. She sees your mouth as more than just a place for teeth. It's the actual gateway to the health of your whole body. So solving your sleep problem isn't just about your throat, it's about understanding how the whole system works together. And to put this powerful idea into practice for her patients, she's developed a really unique framework. It's called the 3 Pillars of Well-Being, and it's her guide to helping people find true whole-body health. So the first pillar is structural balance, and this is all about the deep connection between the alignment of your jaw and, believe it or not, the alignment of your entire body. A bite that's even a little bit off can directly impact your posture and, you guessed it, how open your airway is. The second pillar is chemical balance. This one focuses on optimizing what's going on inside your body. It looks at things like toxicity and makes sure your internal environment is actually set up for healing instead of working against you. And the third pillar is emotional and mental balance. This one acknowledges that powerful, undeniable link between your mindset and your body's physical ability to heal. For Dr. Jung, you can't get to true wellness without addressing all 3 of these pillars together. Now, if you're intrigued by all this, and how could you not be, Dr. Jung dives way deeper into these concepts in her fascinating TEDx talk. It's a fantastic watch for understanding how everything in your body is connected. We highly, highly recommend you check it out. Okay, so putting all of this together, what does this journey to wellness actually look like for you as a patient at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics? Well, the path to better sleep is designed to be incredibly simple and straightforward. It all kicks off with a personal consultation with Dr. Jung. From there, the procedure itself is quick and comfortable, done right in the office in less than an hour. Recovery is fast, so you can get back to your life and start enjoying the results. And speaking of results, they are genuinely life-changing. We're talking about so much more than just a quiet night's sleep. Patients consistently talk about having way more energy, feeling a real lift in their mood, thinking more clearly, and just experiencing a huge improvement in their overall quality of life. So, if you're ready to stop just surviving your days and start truly living a more rested, vibrant life, here's exactly how you can take that first, really important step. You can literally take action today. Just contact the Mansfield office of Central Park Dental and Orthodontics to schedule your personal consultation with Dr. Jung. It's the very first step to finding out if this innovative treatment is the answer you've been searching for. So, we'll leave you with just one final thought to really consider. Take a moment and imagine it. What could a great night's sleep, every single night, truly change in your life?